What is digital signature? A digital signature is a cryptographic technique used to verify the authenticity, integrity, and non-repudiation of digital documents or messages. It provides a way to ensure that a digital document or message has not been tampered with during transmission and that it originated from the expected sender. Here's how digital signatures work. Hashing. The first step in creating a digital signature is to generate a unique hash value for the document or message. A hash function takes the input data and produces a fixed-size string of characters called a hash value or message digest. Even a small change in the input data will result in a significantly different hash value. Private key encryption. The hash value is then encrypted using the sender's private key. The private key is a part of a cryptographic key pair consisting of a private key and a corresponding public key. The private key is kept secret and known only to the sender. Digital signature. The encrypted hash value, along with the original document or message, forms the digital signature. It is appended to the document or message and can be transmitted along with it. Verification. To verify the digital signature, the recipient uses the sender's public key to decrypt the encrypted hash value. If the decrypted hash value matches the hash value computed from the received document or message, it indicates that the document or message has not been altered during transmission and that it originated from the expected sender. Digital signatures provide several benefits. Authentication. Digital signatures provide proof of the identity of the sender. The recipient can verify the signature using the sender's public key, ensuring that the document or message was signed by the claimed sender. Integrity. Any modification to the signed document or message, intentional or accidental, will result in a different hash value, rendering the signature invalid. Thus, digital signatures protect the integrity of the data by detecting any changes made. Non-repudiation. Digital signatures provide non-repudiation, which means that the sender cannot deny sending the document or message. Since the signature can only be created with the sender's private key, it serves as evidence of the sender's intent. Tamper detection. If someone tries to tamper with the document or message during transmission, the signature verification will fail, indicating that the data has been altered. Digital signatures are widely used in various applications, such as secure email communication, software distribution, financial transactions, contracts, and legal documents. They play a crucial role in ensuring the security and authenticity of digital communications and transactions.